Hi, today let's see how to use Yoast focus keyword as image attributes. For this I'll be using the Image Attributes Pro plugin. Here I have the premium version and the free version of the same plugin activated. If you don't have the plugin, I highly recommend you to check it out. I've linked to it in the description box. So I'll head off to the plugin settings, which is in settings, Image Attributes Pro. And I will switch to bulk updater settings, and if I scroll down, there are options for image title, image alt text, the caption and description. Here I'll be using the custom attribute, and there is a custom attribute for Yoast focus keyword. I'll start with the image title. We'll use a custom attribute here, and we'll use a combination of post title and the Yoast focus keyword. I'll do the same for the alt text. I'll set it as post title and the Yoast focus keyword. I'll come and save the settings. I will switch to the bulk updater tab and run the bulk updater. It'll take a minute to go through all the images and update its attributes. Alright, the bulk updater is done, and if we go to the post, I'll take this example and let's check the image attributes. You can see that the alt text is the title of the post hyphen and the Yoast focus keyword. It'll have the same in the image title as well. Okay, that was a very short demo of how to use Image Attributes Pro to set a Yoast focus keywords as attributes. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.